Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1 and y times x plus 1 is equal to x to find the value of xy, which is xy is greater than 0. So in the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 2, we have y times x plus 1 is equal to x. In here, it will be y times x, it will be yx plus y times 1, it will be y is equal to x. And here we take this y to this side and it will be yx is equal to x minus y. And in next step, we square both sides of this equation, so it will be yx to power of 2 is equal to x minus y to power of 2, and it will be yx to power of 2 is equal to x squared minus 2xy and plus y squared. And here we have x squared plus y squared, and from equation 1 this is equal to 1. So in here, from equation 1, this is equal to 1. So we write in here yx to power of 2 is equal to x squared plus y squared is 1. So 1 minus 2xy. And in next step, we take this two part to this side and it will be yx to power of 2 and negative 2xy to this side, it will be positive 2xy, and 1 to this side, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. In here we have xy or yx, and here we have xy, so we let xy as u. So we rewrite this equation and it will be u squared plus 2u minus 1 is equal to 0. And here we have a quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u squared is 1 and b is coefficient of u is 2 and c is constant is negative 1. So from here u is equal to negative b, negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times a is 1, and times c is negative 1, over 2a is 2, and u is equal to negative 2 plus or minus, in here negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, it will be positive 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. And square root of 8 in here, square root of 8 is square root of 4 times 2, and square root of 4 is 2, so we can write 2 square root of 2. So in here, square root of 8, it will be 2 square root of 2 over 2, and from here u is equal to negative 2 over 2 is negative 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 over 2, it will be square root of 2. So u is xy, so from here xy is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 2 and xy is negative 1 minus square root of 2. But from our condition in here, xy should be a greater than 0. So negative 1 minus square root of 2 is less than 0. So we reject this answer, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.